Hello there, hello. It's very, hello. Welcome to Zimbabwe. It's very difficult to find us here. We're a bit lost in the sea of food. Come closer. Welcome to Wedza. Welcome to Mashonaland East Province. We are here in Zimbabwe, in rural Zimbabwe. We are working on sustainability and social mobility in rural Zimbabwe, and we've been pushing on these two concepts to push our rural communities to realize their full potential. What we've been realizing is they will not been reaching their full potential because of one or two things. So we've been able to work together and meet in the middle. So we've shared knowledge on their concerns, and this is the product that is coming out. Skills share and knowledge share has been very fundamental to the development and of social mobility in rural Zimbabwe. They are actually able to sustain themselves. This is the result. We are not actually only talking, but we are seeing results on the ground, and I'm pleased. The credit goes to the rural community that they're marching forward. We are getting lost. We are trying to find our way home in the sea of food, and its issue now is oversupply of food, and what we need is a market and also the general support from the Zimbabwean people to allow rural communities or rural farmers to be able to sell their products to you. So you could come and buy these vegetables. They are in abundance. So from Zimbabwe, from Mashonaland East, from Wedza District, my name is Taku Tepa. I'm going to try and find my way home from this sea of food. Let's go either. Let's try and find out how we can get home.